Waking up early in Italy has its charm. The streets are almost empty and you can enjoy the architecture to the fullest. This time, however, we didn't stay in the center of Como. Instead, we headed straight to the ticket office to buy tickets to Bellagio. At the last minute though, we changed our minds and decided to take the bus after all. It takes about the same amount of time to get to Bellagio, but it's much cheaper. It's also the locals' preferred way of getting around Lake Como. The views are amazing, but the road is a bit challenging, honestly. It's very winding and narrow, so if you are uncomfortable with roads like that, you might find the ferry a better option. Bellagio is widely known as the Pearl of Lake Como because of its stunning scenery, elegant villas, and dramatic lakeside setting. It occupies the tip of a peninsula where Lake Como splits into its two southern branches. Just like that, it gives the town panoramic water views in multiple directions. Finally in Bellagio, in the beautiful Bellagio that we were meant to visit on the very first day, but something didn't work out. And interestingly, you can also come here by bus, but the road is a bit difficult. It's very curvy, and if you're not really good with buses and you think you might be nauseous after such a trip, it's better to take a boat, but a boat is more expensive, of course. So it's up to you, but there are two options available. We just want to go and visit that point of, where two lakes meet, the Lake Como and the Lake Lecco, and probably buy some souvenirs, some other things, maybe some gelato, and spend our last day here in Bellagio. We visited Lake Como at the end of April, and although the wisteria had mostly finished blooming, we found many spots like this with other beautiful flowers. The historic center is a maze of steep stone stairways and narrow lanes, including the iconic Salita Serbelloni. It's also one of the most photographed streets in Italy. And you can actually feel it, cause it was already pretty full even before noon. It is a shopping paradise because you can find just about anything you want, including locally made items such as leather accessories and Murano glass. Interestingly, wealthy Romans built retreats in the area nearly 2000 years ago. This makes Bellagio one of Europe's oldest luxury holiday destinations. And if you tried to Google Bellagio and you got Las Vegas in the results, there is also an explanation for that. The luxurious Bellagio resort was named after the Italian town and drew inspiration from the beauty and elegance of Lake Como. Despite its global fame, fewer than 4,000 people live in Bellagio year-round. It's so beautiful and peaceful here. Just take a look, so few people, but they are all, I think, in more central streets, and so you can do some shopping here and find some restaurants. But it seems to be pretty expensive though, compared to Lenno, for example, or even Varenna, because in Varenna we did find cheaper places. We wanted to check out a viewing point that appeared to be closed, but we came across a super friendly Italian cat instead. Nevertheless, we made our way to another viewpoint called Punta Spartivento. From here, you can enjoy a panoramic view of the lake. I think it would make a more lasting impression when seen from above, because from this spot you don't really get the sense that the lake splits into two. Enjoyed our short trip to Bellagio? If so, don't hesitate to subscribe and give me a thumbs up.